In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best stick welders. So let's get started. Number 7. DEKOPRO MMA 160A. This tool uses advanced IGBT inverter technology to deliver a powerful stick welder capable of welding steel, stainless steel, and even cast iron. Multiple unique control modes help you tackle any welding work. It's built tough. This stick welder has a high-intensity body with structural strength thanks to a solid frame. It operates with a high-performance, fully silent fan motor with instant cooling and protection via a synchronous control system. It delivers a stable current with a voltage that's accurate and adjustable to prevent overloading for more efficient welding. And this stick welder is portable too, with a carrying handle and compact, lightweight design. Number 6. ZENY arc welding machine. This stick welder, which operates at 115 to 230 volts with a 60 Hz current, includes an electrode holder and a 6.4-foot cable, a work clamp and a 5-foot cable, and an input power adapter cable and plug. You can use this stick welder on stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, and other metal materials. Featuring a steel frame and a plastic handle, the unit itself arrives ready to weld. It's made with smart inverters that switch from AC to DC power and incorporates a step-down transformer for the perfect voltage and current. Number 5. FORNEY Easy Weld Arc Welder. This stick welder is incredibly easy to use because of its Easy Start technology that makes arc strikes effortless. It operates on an inverter power system with 120-volt input and 90-amp output, and it handles a rod up to 1/8 inch. The stick welder includes an 8-foot electrode holder and an 8-foot ground clamp. The entire welding unit weighs 9.65 pounds and measures 12 x 5.5 x 10.5 inches, making it perfectly portable for bringing anywhere you need to weld. This stick welder is an excellent choice for beginners, but it's also beneficial for DIY enthusiasts, maintenance work, and well-versed experts. Number 4. YESWELDER Stick MMA Welder. This stick welder is powerful, with a built-in hot start feature that makes arc starting easy. IGBT soft switch technology delivers excellent arc stability between 20 and 205 amps, which is especially great for thin workpieces. It includes a 10-foot electrode holder and cable, a 10-foot ground clamp and cable, and a 6-foot power cable. This stick welder provides automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, as well as protection for overcurrent and overload situations. It also offers automatic temperature control, fan dormancy, and steeples amperage control. Number 3. AMICO 160 amp stick welder. Whether you're using this stick welder at home or a job site, it'll deliver a strong, concentrated, and more stable arc. It's optimized to deliver a flawless weld, limiting spatter and post-weld cleanup. It has a cellulose electrode with force adjustment, and IGBT inverter technology provides stability, hot start, anti-sticking, and steepled amperage control. You'll also enjoy automatic compensation for voltage fluctuations, as well as overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, and overload protection. This stick welder has a wide voltage range of 100 to 250 volts and 50 to 60 Hz for long welding jobs. Number 2. LOTOS LTPDC 2000D. LOTOS does a good job of making quality machines at an affordable price. We really like what it designed in the LTPDC 2000D plasma cutter/TIG/stick welder. It not only lays a beautiful weld, but it's a portable 3-in-1 machine that will accomplish most tasks a welder needs done on site. The electrode clamp is short at 6 feet. However, it's not uncommon for stock electrode clamps to have 6-foot leads. It definitely works, but an extension can easily be added if people want it longer. With a dual voltage input for stick and TIG welding, and a plasma cutting function, with a 1-year warranty that's capable of a 15 to 200 amp range, it's a steal for the price. This machine deserves our top pick ranking. Number 1. POWERARC 140 ST. The Everlast POWERARC 140 welder came in at a close second. It's slightly higher in quality, with an incredible 5-year warranty, and it has longer leaders at about 8 feet in length. However, it costs the same as the LOTOS LTPDC 2000D and maxes out on a significantly lower amperage. It also doesn't include a plasma cutter, which is handy for a portable machine to have. If you only desire a lighter stick welder and have no use for a plasma cutter, this is the machine we would recommend. It's surprisingly light and will definitely go the distance for both a hobbyist and industrial worker.